listen. Notice the code is 0-50-0 on cap sense. Notice it will be 0-50-3 reading cartridge when consumable installed. Code 0-50-2 ready to fire. 0-50-1 when torch is set to hex, stop for operating. When the lock switch is set back to a ready dock. Observe the sequence 0-50-3 to 0-50-2. Trigger fire and all code cleared, green LED appear. This illustrates the codes happening when changing consumables. It is not necessarily malfunction fault on the system. Next video shows 0-50-0 fault. Not able to clear code or change consumables. 0-50-0 cap sense fault cannot be cleared. Enter into the service and check on the cartridge. Take note on the information here. No 0-50-0. Enter into the torch PCB. Take note of information here. Now, there is no error at system and enter to the service screen. Enter into cartridge data icon. Note the difference. Enter to the torch PCB icon. Note the difference.